son, bitch!
Ah, finally back. Time to watch some TV.
Yes, you're special. LOL.
Trade TV Storm. Mustang 3. Why we do what we do?
America. Jamaica.
Low-hanging fruit that the U.S. and others could strike.
That's exactly right, especially, and that includes in Syria. Remember when they took over the Raqqa, after they took over the Raqqa air base in northern Syria, they issued a videotape. It was
If I got locked away and we lost it all today, tell me honestly, would you still love me the same? If I showed you my flaws, if I couldn't be strong, tell me honestly, would you still love me the same?
Really, nigga? Just jump with it.
Sempre.